The subject of this video is how do we connect to the Internet? The Internet is the largest network in the world. In order for a device to connect to any network, it needs a network interface card called NIC. NIC is a computer hardware component that connects a computer to a computer network. NIC alone is not enough to connect to the Internet. We need a modem to connect to the Internet. We purchase the service required for the modem to connect to the Internet from the service provider. Service providers are companies that invest in infrastructure so that computers can communicate with each other. Service providers are also known as ISP. So how is it that we can communicate with a computer that is thousands of kilometers away? All devices on the local network can easily communicate with each other. For example, you want to connect to YouTube.com, not the local network. But you are not on the same local network as the YouTube.com server. Then you need to exit through the door of your local network. This door is the default gateway address on your modem. After exiting the door, you send a request to the default gateway of your service provider's router. Thanks to the infrastructure set up by your service provider, your request is directed to the server you want to connect to. Then, the data you want is sent back to the computer on your local network using the same method. In this video, we explained how we connect to the Internet. I recommend you to watch to the next network lesson. If you have any questions, you can state them in the comments.